Maintenance time. We're doing a yearly maintenance on the Triumph T120. Starting off with oil. I'm going to lay on the floor, undo the oil drain. I rode the bike around a little bit. There we go. That's got that loosened. Don't know if you can see this. The oil's going to be bloody hot. Maybe a bit closer. Right, maybe you can see now. So I've undone the drain, loosened it, and now I'm going to let the oil come out. There it goes. Got some on the floor. Doesn't matter. Oh, well, get some paper to clean it up with. I'll just let the oil drain. Very satisfying feeling. Let the oil drain. It takes a couple of minutes. While I clean up the spill. Okay, so now it's time to put the drain plug back in. Still losing a little bit, but it's okay. It's been long enough. There we go. Put a new crush washer on it that came with the Triumph filter. I always use a new crush washer. And then we tighten up the drain screw. Now this has a torque setting, but for now I'm just gonna crimp it down a little bit so I can put oil in, and I'll get the torque setting in a little bit. So that's that done. So this is the oil filter. First thing you do with the oil filter is you take a bit of the old oil and you wipe it around the top of the seal. That way you get a good seal. Now this is a oil filter removal tool. This fits perfectly on this particular filter. I have 3 different ones of these for 3 different filters. I've got oil on my hands. Can't get that damn thing off. Well, be right back. Alright, set the wrench to the right way around. Put it on there. Lay down again. And find the filter. Filter is. Put it back here. And turn off the filter. Take out that. Make sure this is close because I always lose a little bit of oil. There we go. As you can see, there's oil in the filter area. I always lose a little bit. So I have the rag. Just let that run out. Take off. Now I've got oil all over my hands, I may as well just take the whole thing off. And there we go. I'll leave that to run out. This is the oil I'm using. Citrulline comes in a box, just like a box of wine, I suppose. I'm doing it. But what I've got to do is I've got to put a little bit of oil in the oil filter to fill it up. So we'll do that first. Whoops. Big mess. I'm going to have to do a lot of cleaning up. Put that back on. Alright, so now we're going to replace the oil filter. If you can see all of this. I really do need a lift, I'm too old for this ship. Right, well, what I'm going to do is clean off the bottom of this because I can't get a hold of it. That's better. There you go. I've got it started. I have it started. Now, this just has to be done up slightly tight. So once we get it on hand tight, we put on our little machine here and we just nip it up that much. And then we remove. It just needs a little bit. Alright, so we're going to do the oil now. Replace the oil. 3.5 litres. Out of the box, try not to get it all over the floor. Very slow. Put most of this in here because it's 4 litres. Move this out of the way. Go there. Talking to myself. There we are. We're halfway up the oil sight glass now. So just a little bit more. Remembering that the oil filter wasn't completely full. There we go. And we'll call that done. Have another look at the sight glass. Yep, there we are. Halfway up. And we're putting back the oil filler, and we just crimp that down. There we go, nice and tight. Oil filter, oil and oil filter change done. Okay, so now I'm going to put the waste oil in this old can that I have. So I can dispose of it. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. Just let it, specially designed drip tray with a spout, nice and flat so it fits under a motorcycle. And that is how we do it. Easy peasy lemon squeezy.